Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back, it's Steve, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing. Got my box right here. What is in the box? Well, I have been using a setup, and I'll show you right over here, my two monitor setup with my Mac Mini M1, and I wanted to kind of clean it up a little bit, so I purchased a monitor stand. Not like monitor stands that just connect to your monitor. The ones where the base connects to the table and you just mount your monitor so they float around. You can move them a little bit. I think you could actually even make them vertical, horizontal, etc. But I just needed another kind of space saver over there. So I purchased one a couple days ago. It just arrived and we'll see what this is. I don't remember off the top of my head the brand, but let's get into it. Very excited. I had like a $60 Amazon credit, just burning a hole in my pocket and wanted to spend it. Oh, this blade is so worn out. I'm surprised that I could actually open the box. Oh my God, I gotta replace this. Okay. All right. Don't think we need this anymore. Oh, there we go. This is, I don't even remember how to pronounce it. HUANUO full motion desk mount. Right there. Let's get this out. Well, this is pretty heavy actually. All right. Okay, so there it is. So up here, HUANUO full motion desk mount model HND S6. Purchased it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. I'll set it up, and then I will probably do I could review it, but I'll do a video explaining like the size of my monitors, how much they weigh, just in case it doesn't work. And I could let you know, hey, if you want this, maybe the monitors are too big or the monitors weigh too much. But according to the Amazon specs, my monitors should be fine. They should work with this. So let's see what other information they have. Oddly enough, the handle is upside down. That's pretty weird. But let's see. I always forget that I have my Echo and it updates me at the weirdest times, always when I'm recording a video. All right, let's see what we got. Turn this around again. Actually, you know what I'll do? All right. We obviously have the instructions. I think these are the instructions. Oh, these are just troubleshooting. If you can see that. Put that over there. These are the instructions, and it's like, Jesus. This is a lot of instructions, but it's in multiple languages, so that's why the book is so big. Instruction booklet. And all of the shit that it comes with. Silica gel back in the box. Okay. Let's do this. Let's take the box out of the box. Out of the box. Get this box over there. Alright. We've got tools, screws, and everything you need to connect it right here. And then this right here is just the mount. Well, not just the mount, this is the mount. So, right here, I did notice on Amazon, this is the old model. As you can see, it's not that heavy actually, if I can palm it with one hand. This seems to be the older model because there was a note that said new model available, and the biggest difference that I could find, besides I think the design a little bit, is the new model. While you could mount one monitor here, one monitor here, there was also a spot in the middle where you can mount a laptop, and that was pretty cool. I don't have a laptop, and even if I did, I don't think I would need to mount it. Actually, maybe I would, but I'm not getting a laptop anytime soon. But this is the mount, so we'll put this on the table, hopefully not break it. And a lot of it is metal, like here, the bottom is metal, but this right here is plastic. The inside might be metal, but the outside of the mount is hard plastic, but feels pretty good. Put that there. Right here is another piece, I'm assuming, of a mounting portion. This looks like the clamp for your desk. I think you could screw it in or clamp it. I'm going to clamp. Another L mount or bracket that matches that one. Put that there. Lots of plastic. Another clamp. So I guess you need to utilize both. That's fine. And that seems to be everything. There's nothing else. This is just cardboard. Now I'm all dusty, but that seems to be everything in here. I thought you were able to screw it in. I don't see the piece. Maybe it's directly on the base. I don't think so. Doesn't look like it. Bottom doesn't seem to have anything you could just screw into your desk. But on the website, I believe I saw that you could. Maybe I was wrong. So, I don't know. Let's see that. That's about it. The HUANUO full motion desk mount that I purchased on Amazon. I believe it was 60 bucks. It was on sale because there's a newer model. And yeah, I'm excited to get this thing going. See how much space it'll save for me. And hopefully it works with my monitors. I have two LG 27-inch monitors. And like I said, according to Amazon, the weight of my monitors are supported. But you will, you don't know until you actually try it out. And that's what I'm planning on doing a little bit later today. And then hopefully tomorrow I'll have a review stating, if this mount works for my monitors. And then if you watch it and you have different monitors, you'll know how much your monitors weigh and how big they are. And if they work for, say, a 27-inch LG like I have at whatever weight they are, and you have a similar monitor that's a Samsung, then you'll know it'll work. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you own this monitor stand already, let me know in the comments below how it works for you. And if you want, feel free to list your monitor models below so people know what's compatible. Like and subscribe as always, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Peace, guys.